Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC, I'm going to go over how you to replace the headlights or all the lights in your front headlight assembly on a 2016 Kia Optima, which span for more than this generation of a 2016 or in that generation of the 16s. So we have a blinker on this vehicle. This is a US built Kia. And so on this one, there's different specs to the US or the Korean built. But this one, we have a blinker slash clearance light in here. And then we also have, this one's the high beam headlight. And this one here is the low beam headlight. And on this model, this is just a clearance light. And so that's where you would find those. So this is a side marker clearance light. And that's all your headlights or light assembly that's situated in here. And so then we'll make some clips of how to replace each light individually from the back. Thanks for watching.